Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Liam and this is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English vocabulary simple. Percent, percentage. What's the difference and how do we use them in English vocabulary and different contexts? So, if you want to learn English vocabulary, stay tuned. All right, percent versus percentage. Let's begin. It is common for English learners and even native English speakers to mix up words that have a similar meaning. What is the difference between the words percent and percentage? Well, let's look at an example of something not to say, followed by an example of something to say. Don't say, what percent of the total will you receive on that deal? Let's imagine you're doing a business deal and you are receiving some money. What percent of the total amount of money will you receive on that deal? Say instead, what percentage of the total will you receive on that deal? Why? Well, here is an easy rule to remember. The word percent can only appear after a number. 25%, or using the symbol. 50%, using the symbol, etc. Percentage never appears next to a number. 50 percentage? No, incorrect. Always. Percentage means a proportion or part of a whole. Therefore, you often need to use an adjective to tell people how big or how small the amount is, the percentage is. Don't say, only a small percent of people agreed with the decision. Say instead, only a small percentage of people agreed with the decision. Because there is no specific number. We only use percent with numbers. So here the adjective is small, small percentage. Understand? Don't say, there is a 5% increase in profit this year. Say instead, there is a 5% increase in profit this year. 5 is a specific number, so 5%. Don't say, she took a large percent of her earnings, her money, and invested it in Bitcoin. Say instead, she took a large percentage of her earnings and invested it in Bitcoin. Small percentage, large percentage. Let's summarize. The word percent can only appear after a number. Percentage never appears next to a number. Percentage means a proportion or part of a whole. Therefore, percent is more specific, more precise than percentage. 90%, a large percentage. 10%, a small percentage. Understand? It's easy, right? Okay, guys, let me know your questions and comments down in the comments section below, and your ideas for future videos. Or just say hello and let me know that you made it to the end of the video, because I appreciate it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. It really helps my small channel grow. Share this video with a friend who you think might learn something. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes vocabulary simple. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.